Hello, everyone! As the season transitions to fall, it's the perfect time to refresh your home with cozy and inviting decor that reflects the warmth and colors of autumn. Whether you're looking to make subtle changes or go for a full seasonal transformation, here are some inspiring fall decor ideas for the home that will help you create a space that feels festive, cozy, and stylish. 1. Embrace warm, earthy colors. Fall is synonymous with warm and earthy tones. Incorporate colors like deep oranges, burnt reds, mustard yellows, and rich browns into your home decor. Start by swapping out lighter fabrics, such as summer linens, with heavier materials like velvet, wool, or flannel in these colors. Add throw pillows, blankets, and rugs in fall hues to instantly create a cozy atmosphere. Tip: if you prefer a more neutral palette, try incorporating muted versions of these colors, such as dusty orange or soft mustard, to keep the decor subtle yet seasonally appropriate. 2. Nature-inspired centerpieces. Fall is the perfect time to bring the outdoors inside. Consider creating a centerpiece for your dining or coffee table using elements from nature. Pine cones, acorns, dried leaves, and small pumpkins or gourds can be arranged in a decorative bowl or tray for a quick and easy fall centerpiece. Adding candles to the arrangement will bring warmth and a soft glow to the room, especially as the days get shorter. DIY idea: collect branches or twigs from your backyard and spray paint them in metallic gold or copper for a modern twist on a natural centerpiece. 3. Wreaths aren't just for doors. A wreath on your front door is a classic fall decor idea. But don't stop there. Wreaths made from dried flowers, foliage, or even faux fruits and berries can be used indoors as well. Hang one above your mantel, in the entryway, or even as a part of your gallery wall. They add a festive touch while maintaining a natural, homey feel. 4. Incorporate seasonal scents. Beyond just sight, fall decor should appeal to the senses. Introduce seasonal scents like cinnamon, clove, vanilla, and apple through candles, diffusers, or even stovetop potpourri. These warm and cozy fragrances can instantly make your home feel inviting and comfortable. Pro tip: if you want a chemical-free alternative, simmer a pot of water with cinnamon sticks, orange peels, and cloves for a natural fall scent. 5. Layer textures. The fall season is all about comfort, and one way to achieve that cozy feel is through layering textures in your home decor. Drape plush throws over your sofas or chairs, and add a mix of textured pillows in different materials such as knits, faux fur, or corduroy. Even a simple wool or jute rug can add an extra layer of warmth to your living space. Layering tip: consider mixing neutral tones with fall colors for a balanced and chic look. A gray knit throw paired with mustard or rust-colored pillows creates a sophisticated yet cozy atmosphere. 6. Update your mantle. If you have a fireplace, your mantle is the perfect spot to showcase your fall decor. Keep it simple with a few decorative pumpkins, candles, and some dried flowers or wheat stalks in a vase. For a more elaborate display, create a fall-themed garland with faux leaves or mini pumpkins to drape across the mantle. Quick idea: mix vintage elements, like antique candle holders, with natural elements like pine cones and pumpkins for an eclectic layered look. 7. Pumpkin accents everywhere. You don't have to carve pumpkins to incorporate them into your decor. Mini pumpkins can be placed on shelves, coffee tables, or even in your kitchen to add a pop of fall color. Opt for a variety of pumpkins in different sizes and textures, from traditional orange pumpkins to white and green gourds, which offer a more modern look. DIY: paint your pumpkins in metallic shades or use stencils to create fun patterns that match your decor style. 8. Cozy up your bedroom. Fall decor isn't just for common areas. Your bedroom can benefit from seasonal updates too. Swap out lightweight bedding for heavier fabrics like flannel or fleece. Add a plaid blanket or a quilt at the foot of your bed for both decor and extra warmth. Consider changing your pillowcases to deeper, richer colors that align with the fall palette. Bedroom tip: string fairy lights around the headboard or windows for a soft, cozy glow, perfect for fall evenings. 9. Fall-themed wall. Art. One easy way to transform a space for the season is by switching up your wall art. Fall-themed prints featuring autumn landscapes, botanical illustrations, or even typographic art with fall phrases like gather or grateful can add a seasonal touch to your space. Look for downloadable prints that you can frame yourself for a budget-friendly option. Tip: Swap out existing artwork in your living room or kitchen with fall-themed pieces for a quick seasonal update. 10. Decorate your outdoor space. Don't forget your porch, patio, or balcony. Fall decor can extend outdoors with minimal effort. Potted mums, a rustic fall wreath, or a display of pumpkins and gourds can instantly make your outdoor space feel festive and welcoming. Add cozy outdoor seating with plaid blankets or cushions to create a comfortable space to enjoy crisp autumn evenings. Incorporating these fall decor ideas into your home can create a warm and welcoming environment that celebrates the beauty and coziness of the season. Whether you're making small changes with accessories or going for a full fall transformation, these ideas will help you create a stylish and festive space that's perfect for the cooler months ahead. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more home decor ideas.